In this video, we're going to learn how to center things in HTML. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in /center and then close it. Next, we're going to type in /p, close it for paragraph tag, and we're going to type this paragraph tag is going to be in the center. Then we're going to check out the live preview. Make sure you save. And as you can see, this paragraph tag is going to be in the center, is in the center. Now what we want to do is we want to put this image tag in the center. And to do that, we have to do the same to the image tag. /center. With brackets, it automatically closes your center tag. So what you want to do is you want to delete the close tag and put it at the end of the image tag code. Hit save. And there you go. The image tag is in the center. If you liked the video, hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.